today on our Dear Claire, I was asked, what are some tips for interior and exterior painting? Holy cannolis. This is a difficult one because my father insisted that everybody thinks they're a painter, but no one is actually any good at it. It's a very hard job to get right. So first and foremost, I would say just hire a professional because you're not going to be happy with the paint job that you do. But if you insist on doing it yourself, pick light and neutral colors because it's going to look better than like that beautiful pop of red that you want. It's going to be real hard to make it look good. Besides that, obviously always keep a wet line. So don't like paint something, just go take a snack break and then come back and try and make it. You're going to see that line in the middle of your wall. Trim is really difficult. Make sure you have the right tools, have the right kind of paint. But even still, it's going to be really difficult to make it look perfect. So maybe make peace with imperfection. That might also be a good idea. If you want a good contractor list, I of course have great vendors that you can reach out to. So just reach out. We'll see you next week. Take care.